Hello there. This video is to show you how to make minor edits to your WordPress Elementor website. The first step that you'll take is to go over to your website address, type that in, and then type /wp-login. That will take you to this admin page, and you'll just enter your username and email, or username and password that we assigned to you when we launched the website, and click login. Once you get there, you will see this very large dashboard, and the way you get to the visual builder, which is where you'll be making the minor changes on your own behalf, is up here. Just click on the name of your business right here, and that will pull up this screen, which will just be basically, it will just look like the way your website looks online. And you'll notice this toolbar is up at the top. So you'll want to navigate over to the page that you're wanting to make changes on. In this case, there was a specific question about gallery. So we'll go to the page that has the gallery right here, and we'll make sure we're on the right page, and then we'll click this button up here that says Edit with Elementor. Click on that, and this will give you a different view. You'll notice that when you click that Elementor bar at the top, you'll see this little menu pop up over on the left-hand side. Then as you hover over any element of the website, you'll notice that it outlines it just like this, and you'll see a little pencil in the corner of almost every little box that you can possibly click in. Now, keep in mind, anything you do to this is going to make changes to your website if you click update. So just keep that in mind. We'll want to make minor changes. So to make a minor change to this text here, for example, just click into the box, and then you can actually just type directly into this box like that. If you're wanting to change what it says, you can also click this pencil. You can also click this pencil and change the text right here. And that is where you would change what it says in any text element of your website. Please be sure not to make any changes to these tags right here. Just change if you're wanting to change what something says, that's where you would do it, just in the text itself. So you don't want to make any changes to any other settings, and then you would click update. Now, if you're wanting to add to this gallery, just click into the gallery, and then you'll see over here on the left-hand side, it will pull up Edit Image Carousel. Now, these are all of the images that are currently in your gallery. There are 46 of them, and you can edit that from here. Just click directly into this box right here with all of those photos, and this will open up here for you. And any photo that you'd like to take out, just click the X, and that will remove the photos. And if you want to add to the gallery, there's a button here that says Add to Gallery. Now this will pull up all of the media files that are attached to your website in any way. So you'll notice any photo that's on the website anywhere. There are 202 different media items there. You can load more if you'd like to select something that's already in a different place on your website. Otherwise, you'll come up here and click Upload Files. Here's where you will select the files from your computer or your device to add to the website. But here's something very important. Please, any photo that you're going to use on your website, we want to go over to this website called squoosh.app, S-Q-U-O-O-S-H, like squoosh.app. And we want to resize and optimize those photos for your website. So for example, let's just go over to Google and grab a photo. Any photo will do. Let's just click this one. Say this is the photo that we have. So I'm just going to save that image to my downloads folder. Now I'm going to go back to Squoosh. And as you can see, I have this photo. I'm going to grab the photo and just copy it right there into Squoosh. It immediately uploads. We want to change this right here to WEB P. That's the file type. We will always want it to be a WEB file type. And we want the size of the photo to be smaller. So typically what we're looking for is around 62 KB. So this photo is actually fairly small already. But we just want to make sure that this size down here, usually we have to lower the quality quite a bit in order to get it to 62 KB, especially if it is a professional headshot or something of that nature. Those are always fairly high quality. So we want to just make sure that's about 62, make sure that we've changed this file type to WEBP, and then click this little blue button in the bottom, and that will download it to your device or onto your computer. You go back over and you'll select that file and just drop it there to upload it. And then you will see that has appeared here. And I did this earlier and the video messed up. So that's why you're seeing it here twice. But that is where you would add to the gallery. Now, if you're wanting to actually add that photo, click into it there. You'll see, oops, let me move myself. When you have this clicked, say you want to add all three of those, you can click add to gallery right there, that blue button. I'm not going to do it now or else it will add these to your gallery, but that's where you would do it. You would upload them there, upload the files. Remember to go over to Squish, change it to WEBP, make sure it's 62 KB or less, or just right around 62 KB, and then drop it back here and add it to gallery. Once you do that, you'll want to make sure that you click update right here. This button, update. Anything you do on the website, you will always have to click update, and then the changes will be live on the website right away. And that's how you can change just basic text or words or photos out on your gallery or on anywhere the text is listed on your website. If you have other changes you'd like to make or bigger things you'd like to add, never hesitate to reach out and ask us. We'll be happy to help. Thanks a lot.